Once upon a time in a cozy cottage lived a playful kitten named Oliver. Oliver loved to chase balls of yarn, climb curtains, and nap in sunny spots. He was full of energy and curiosity, but he didn't like to listen to anyone. One evening, as Oliver was chasing a moth, he bumped into a wise old owl who lived in the attic. The owl was known for its wisdom and knowledge of the night sky. Oliver giggled and said, "You're so old and sleepy. Why don't you come play with me?" The owl chuckled softly and replied, "While you enjoy your playful days, I spend my nights observing the stars and learning about the universe. Knowledge is a treasure." Oliver thought this was silly. He preferred chasing mice to studying stars. But curiosity got the better of him, and he stayed awake to watch the night sky with the owl. As they watched, the owl pointed out different constellations and shared stories about them. Oliver was amazed by the beauty of the night sky and the stories behind the stars. From that night on, Oliver developed a love for learning. He started to observe the world around him with more curiosity. He learned about different types of birds, the best places to find mice, and even how to tell time by the sun. Oliver became a smart and curious kitten. He understood that learning was like discovering new treasures. And even though he still loved to play, he also enjoyed spending quiet moments learning about the world. Learning is a treasure that can be found everywhere.